In this video, I'm going to be changing the oil and oil filter in a 3.6 liter JK. Before you begin, run the engine and achieve normal operating temperature, and then turn the engine off. Once you get the engine cover out of the way, you'll see that the oil filter is hiding right underneath it. I'm going to remove my oil filter before draining the oil because it will release oil that's held in the oil filter cavity into the sump and allow it to drain. If you don't do this, you'll have used engine oil left inside of the engine after your oil change. But as long as you remove the oil filter before reinstalling the drain plug, you'll be fine. So underneath, I'm going to position my drain pan underneath the oil pan. And then I'm going to remove the drain plug. Don't forget to inspect the drain plug just to make sure none of the threads are damaged. Also inspect the crush washer. I don't replace the crush washer every oil change. I'll usually wait 2 to 3 oil changes before replacing it. And I've never had a problem with it leaking. And you probably noticed I do have a magnetic drain plug. This is made by a company called Gold Plug, and I've had their magnetic drain plugs in all of my vehicles over the years, and this one has been in this Jeep for 7 years and it still looks brand new, so I highly recommend it. Once all of the oil is drained, I'm going to install the drain plug and torque it to 20 foot-pounds. Also, wipe up any old oil, just make it easier to check for leaks. This is the new oil filter, and it also comes with an O-ring that I'm going to be replacing here in a moment. The filter just pulls out of the cap. There's also an O-ring on the cap to replace. And when you buy a new filter, this O-ring should come with it. And wipe up any old oil that's still remaining inside of the cap. I'm going to be using a 5W30 weight synthetic oil. You never want to install a dry O-ring, so you want to lube it up with some engine oil before installing it. And these tabs here will just clip right into the oil filter cap. And that's it, now it's ready to install. And it is not necessary to pre-fill the oil filter with engine oil before installing it. Torque the oil filter cap to 18 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to fill the engine with oil. The capacity is 6 quarts or 5.6 liters, but I'm going to check the dipstick just to make sure. That level looks perfect, but I'm still going to run the engine, check for leaks, and then check the oil again. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.